Welcome to this 5-minute Pilates class focusing all on working through the back of the legs. Now we'll be doing all of the exercises with the feet pressed up against the wall, but if you don't have a wall handy or you just don't like that option, you can do all of these same exercises with the feet down on the mat instead. As always, move with the options and variations that are most beneficial for you today. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. Lay onto your back on the mat to get set up, either feet pressing down onto the floor or press your feet firmly against the wall. Regardless, the more you press with your feet, the more the legs will work. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, hips lift, lower down, and hips lift to lower down. So shoulders and arms just stay gently pressing down into the floor the entire time. You want more work in the back of the legs, press the feet more firmly down. Now hips lift for a pause, lower partway down and up, partway down and up. Few more times here. One last time. Pause up, one leg lifts, foot down. Switch sides, like you're going on a walk with the legs. Now, if the full leg lift is maybe too much for today, it could be just lifting one heel and switching sides. Regardless, trying to keep the pelvis very still and lifted. Pressing firmly into foot. One more time each side. And now lower all the way down. Take the feet wide. So they're about as wide as the mat, legs rolling out slightly. Still have your firm press. Hips come up and down. So the pelvis just skims the mat and comes right back up again. Just skim it down to come up. Pressing maybe a little bit more firmly to feet. We're going to stay up this next time. Lower partway and up. Lower partway and up. Keeping the work focused against and in the lower body, so feet pressing more firmly to mat or to wall. Ease in upper body. Two more times. 2 and 1. Beautiful. Lower all the way down. Bring the feet back in line with the pelvis. Press firmly with feet. And exhale, hips lift. Stay up. Inhale. As you exhale next time, reach one leg up to the ceiling. Single leg to go down and up. Down and up. Now, if single leg isn't your jam for today, you can, of course, keep with your double leg option. Trying to get a big range of motion down and up. Let's do 2 more times. 2, pause up. Replace the foot, press evenly into both feet, switch, and when you're ready, lower and lift. So this should be very challenging for the back of the leg here. And if you're not doing single leg option today, maybe another time when you come back to this session. Almost there with this option. 2 more times. 2, pause up, both feet down. Press evenly into both feet. One time through, lower down, come right back up. One leg reaches to ceiling again. Reach toes forward and up. Reach toes forward and up. Inhale, exhale. Trying to stay nice and still with the rest of body. One last time. Foot goes down, lower down one time. Come right back up, switch sides, opposite leg lift. Reach forward and up. Very stable body as leg is moving. Almost there. One last time. Very nice. Foot goes down. Lower the pelvis down. Come right back up with hips. Lower down half and up, half and up. So we're ending the class with both feet pressing firmly. Let's do 3, 2, 1. Lower all the way down one more time. Take the feet wide. Press feet firmly down, hips up and down. Shoulders release and relax. On the home stretch. One last time. Very nice. Bring the legs in. Reach one leg up to the ceiling. A little stretch. Foot goes down. Opposite leg up and down. Now, as you continue doing this, just take your time. Just did all that hard work. Can you breathe more deeply here? Maybe release something in the body that was carrying extra tension. And if you're ready to move on to the next class in this series, click on the video that you're seeing right now. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.